What is your name?
I'm Feldman Majkut, and I'm a postdoctoral researcher at Dennis Discher's lab at the University of Pennsylvania. Working on independent research, looking at the effects of mechanics on early heart tissue development and how heart cells behave when they're influenced by different mechanics.
What is the best part of working at the Discher Laboratory?
I like the wide variety of disciplines that the students and postdocs come from. It gives a lot of different perspectives, and there's a lot of diversity in the research that's done here.
What was your first career choice?
To work in science, and I was originally interested in epidemiology. So I was always interested in kind of biology type problems, and then in undergrad I was majoring in physics, and I found an undergraduate research project that was studying the development of frog embryos using an optical technique. I hadn't thought of combining my love of physics with studying biological problems until then.
What was your thesis project about?
Was measuring the mechanics of early developing heart tissue and looking at how that mechanics influences cell function and development.
So what kind of methodology did you use with the thesis project
Yeah,
the process itself?
Right. I used micropipette aspiration, which is a technique where we take a glass-pulled tube and apply a pressure on tissue or cells or whatever, and then that causes a deformation in the tissue, and by looking at how much it deforms the tissue, you can say something about how soft or stiff that tissue is.
How far do you want your thesis project to go?
Congenital heart diseases, and also better control how we differentiate stem cells into the types of tissue that we want.
So, what do you see yourself doing in the next 5 to 10 years, and what makes you passionate about continuing this work that you're doing now?
In the next 5 to 10 years, I'd like to, like I said, keep working on the border between biology and physics, because I think that the quantitative aspects of studying physics go really well right now with the questions that are being asked in biology.
What is the best advice you give to those exploring a career in the field?
So I would advise students to take a wide range of classes in science or humanities or whatever, and keep in mind you don't know what you're going to end up liking.